Henry writes, how is the new SuperJet compared to the SXR 800? And my new SuperJet will be here in 2 weeks. And what would be some good first mods that won't void my warranty? All mods will void your warranty depending on how big of a dick your dealer is. All right? I've seen dealers who don't give a rat's rear what you do with the ski. I've seen dealers that if you put a sticker on the ski, they piss their pants. Depends on your dealer. If you're gonna pussyfoot around your dealer and how they treat your warranty, you need to talk to them. You need to go to your service rep and go, hey, can I put a tune on this? Can I put a cold air kit on it? Can I put sponsons on it? Can I change the impeller? What are you cool with? And if the service writer's like, dude, we don't care. Go have fun. Put a handle pull on it and put an airbox on it or a tune. I wouldn't change the airbox personally. I personally would not change the airbox. But I put a tune on it. And the best thing is that if you go and get a Riva map tuner, you can put it back to stock and they'll never know. Be a smarter criminal. I realize what I'm saying to people, and this is going to come back to bite me in the rear. But, hey, if you have to modify it, talk to your service rep, see what he says. And if he's a stick in the mud, figure out what stuff can I change easily that I can swap back before I drag my ski back to the dealer for whatever service I'm going to have them do. I don't really care about service. I would not buy the extended warranty because I know how to use a set of wrenches. So people ask me, oh, Kevin, what should I do? What would you get? What would you get? I'm like, none of it. I'm getting none. I don't like any of your decisions. I like my decisions. I'm not you. And you're thank God you're not me. So, yeah, anyway. All right. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.